Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the simple inventory management system using Spring Boot application. This is very important program. Those who are interested to study Spring Boot application, you must watch up to end. So then only you will be able to understand the programming. So here, this is the demo I am going to show you. Here, this one should be the items. These are the items available in our bakery: rolls, bun, pastry. These are ingredients, right? We have a rolls, veg, fish and chicken flavors are there, right? When the customer order fish with veg 2, click add button, it added. Again that same customer added 1, again 1, right? Now that same customer added a pastry also, he going to buy the chicken flavor. He going to buy 5, it is added over here, right? So the bun also, it fish 1 flavor, it is added. But this is how we have to work the system. Now they don't want this one, they will be able to delete the total will be reduced, right? This how the system will be work. Now if you want to reset the once the sales completed, click reset, all the forms should be reset. This is a very simple inventory management system. You can use this simple inventory management system in your shops, right? Very simple one. How to make the system step by step, we'll teach. Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach restaurant inventory management system using Spring Boot. First what I am going to do is here, I am going to go to the Google and type Spring Initializer. Click on this first link. It goes to the respective website. For here we have to download the dependencies and everything. So here first we have to select the project, Maven project, and Java language you have to choose as Java. Spring Boot you have to choose as the default one. Here you have to give the project name. I am going to give here as rest inventory. I just put as rest inventory, right? So you can put restaurant inventory, anything else. I just put it as rest inventory. Here you have to choose the Java version. This one will be the important stuff. So how to check the machine, whether you are installed, what version you are installed. So just go to the run and type cmd. Here you have to type Java version. Press enter key. This one should be the 8, Java 8. So select the Java 8. You have to add the dependencies. Select this one. First one should be the JPA. This one. Second dependency I am going to add the MySQL driver. Third one I am going to add as a Spring Web. After that we have to add another thing as a leaf. This one should be it will be interact with our HTML pages, right? Select this one, right? These are the dependencies we have to add to configure our project, right? This is the must, this dependency when you configure your project. After that, click generate, it will be downloaded over here, right? After that, what I am going to do is here, you have to show in folder, this one, right? This is your project, right? Now what I am going to do is here, I am going to go to open the Eclipse. Eclipse for Java Enterprise Edition. Okay, I have downloaded both Eclipse ID for Java developers, Enterprise. This Enterprise we have to get it. Okay, so Enterprise, how to download here is you have to go to the Google. You have to type Java Eclipse for Java downloads. We have a choices, right? Here this one should be the Java developers. So you just go here. You have to get it the Enterprise version as well here. This is Java developers, right? You have to search the Java Enterprise, right? Here this one should be the Java Enterprise for developers, right? This one. Okay, you can download it here. Okay, then only you will be able to access the Spring Boot and everything. So here we have to launch. The project is launching, right? Okay, this is the things, right? When the Eclipse is loading, it's look like this. It takes some time to load. Okay, when you open the Eclipse, it's look like this. So first I am going to go to create the new project. So click new file. I already done the create the project in Spring Initializer. You have to import them. Import. This is the project files. We have to project for this folder. This one, select this one. We have to get the download. This is today date. We have to select them. This one, get it there. Open. Right. I need Maven. This one we no needed. Maven only we needed. Click finish. Now your project is open it here. This is the project. Tap. It takes some time to configure your project into our Eclipse. Right. Now it's configured with Maven. Right. So what is our name of the project? REST inventory. Right. The name should be there. Here you have to expand it. This is a simple one. Right. Okay. Now in the very first step you have to see the folder structure. These are the folder structures in Spring Boot application. First I am going to go to the resources. This one. These are the main resources. You have two folders are there, static and templates, right? In the template folder we have to create the view, right? Spring Boot means view, model view controller. So here we have only work with view and controller only. We are not going to interact with the model because I am not going to connect any database here. Only the static page I am going to developing. So that we have to only select the template folder, right click, new, we have to others, we have to type here HTML. Select HTML, click next. Here we have type index.html. Click finish. Right. Now here what I am going to do is here I am going to design the form. So I am going to copy this one. Control A, Control C, copy. Select all, Control V to paste here. Right. Okay. Now here this is the simple design. We have a simple design over here. This is simple design. Okay, we have everything. Okay, this is simple design. Okay, the design. Okay, these are all the Bootstrap. We have copied from the relevant Bootstrap website. So go to the Bootstrap. This is the site. Go to the click on this link. It goes here. Get started. You have to copy the CSS and JS file. Right? Copy both CSS and JS file. Copy both and paste inside the head tag. Right? After that, we have to create the inside the body. We have to create the heading nav tag. After that, we have to create the we have designed the form. Look like this. All things, right? This is a table. This is a table, right? This is a table. So here we have to design the things, right? This is your jQuery, right? This is all this jQuery. Okay, when you are selecting the role, we have to select the ingredients. What is the ingredients you are select? Veg. There will be the price, right? If you are creating this is roles. This is a category of roles. We have ingredients. 3 ingredients are there. Fish, chicken, right? Only veg, fish, chicken, 3, right? Each we have to include the price. Veg 12, fish mean 15, chicken mean the price will be 30, right? The same thing here as a bun. If the user select as bun, we have 2 ingredients, veg, fish and chicken. These are the price for the bun, veg, fish and chicken. The same thing as a pasty also. These are the ingredients, these are the favors are there, these are the prices, right? You will be able to enter the quantity. We will be finally we have to calculate and display the added all the information will be the table. We will be calculate the final total on this text field. Okay. After that, if you want to remove the item from the table, this is the delete button, right? Okay, this is the delete button code. Okay, if you are wrongly selected, you will be able to delete the button. We have a delete button all as well in the table. After this function indicate as a reset the form. This is all the form will be resetted when you click the reset form, right? This is the this how this work. Okay, this form will be work, right? This is very simple code. Okay, you have to understand this one. So here, in order to work with this one, the jQuery, this all the components we needed. Okay, so here the component folder consists of all the jQuery libraries. So you can download this from the relevant jQuery libraries as well. So I already downloaded and put into my one folder component. This one should be the jQuery, all the plugins are there, right? Bootstrap and everything, so there. So I have to, this one, all the stuff I have to, this component folder I just copy, right, this component folder. Don't worry about that, this one I will give you my website, you will be able to download it, component folder, right? So here, where you are putting to that component folder, right? Your images and all the jQuery and Bootstrap, all the files you have to put in inside the static folder. Right click and static folder. Okay, this is simple stuff you have to do. You just copy and paste it, it already there. Okay, very simple. Okay, here the path we will given inside the component folder. We have a file called jQuery. Inside the jQuery folder, we have a file called jQuery.js. This is the path we have to give properly. Then only it will be taken. The same here as well. Inside the component folder, we have a file called jQuery. Inside the jQuery, we have a file called jQuery main.js. This one we have to style like this. Okay, this is a simple one we have to write. Then only it will be work jQuery. Okay, we have this libraries. Then only we will be able to work jQuery. Right, simple. Okay, now we done the design stuff. Now let's moving to the another important stuff is a controller part. Right, in the resources part we have a design. Controller part, you go to the src main Java, you have to expand. This is the main page of Java. This is a main. This is a main method of Java. Now I am going to go to the select the project, right click, new, package. Here we have to write the package name com.example dot rest inventory. This rest inventory dot controller. You write rest controller. Click finish. Now your controller has been created successfully. Yes, your project this one. The rest controller has been created successfully. This is your controller, right? So here this one, right click. I am going to create the class. This one class I am going to create here as rest controller, restaurant controller. I just give the short name as rest controller. Click finish. Okay, this is a blank class. This is a controller. We have to add the controller annotation. So I already here. Okay, this one I just copy and paste it. You have to write them. If you have paste it here, you have to write it here. It show the error. This is not error. It asks to import the package. So right click on this one. Not right. If you click on this one, import control this one. It asks to import the package. If you import the package, it will be this annotation is inside this package. Then only it will be work. Right. After that, we have to do the another thing is this one. Right. Okay. Here I have written the request mapping. This is the annotation we have used to get the page. Okay, this is the page we have written public string index action method. It's called written in the index page. Index page means we have created the view page in our template folder index. The same name we have to give here. Then only the method will be get mean it will be getting the form. Which form it's getting? Index. Index form is inside the template folder index.html. Okay, right, then only it will be work. This is not error. This one also it asks to import the request mapping. This one we have to import the package, and as well as a request method also we have to import the package. Then the error go away. Now it's working successfully. We have to do these things, right? After that we have to do another things. We have to set this one application property. We have to give the Spring Boot port and everything, right? So here we have to give the port, this one, the simple one. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, right? So here, this one I am not going to connect any databases here, so that we have to put it like this. JPA, Hibernate, Auto, none. This also driver also we have to include. Here you need to set the port. Whatever port you can set, I am going to set 9000. You can get, but the port means your programming will be run on localhost, and which port have to run. You have to specify the port which you want to run. That will be, you can give whatever port you come in your mind. Okay, that's no problem at all, right? Now let's do the stuff. Now let's run the programming. Go to the, this one should be your main, right? This is a main form, right? This is a, we have two packages. This is a main, this is a controller. The main package, we have a file called this one, rest, right? Here we have to, this is your annotation Spring Boot application. Now here we have to give this annotation as well. Then only it will work. Auto, enable auto convert, this one. You have to put it here, call it here. You have to add it here. This also click on this one and add it here. Right. This is the thing we have to do. Then only it will work, right? So enable auto configuration, exclude this one. Okay, you don't worry about that. This is all the source code I provide in my website. You will be able to download and work with this one. Okay, this instruction is must. Okay, how to work with the Spring Boot step by step application. So now let's run and check how the application works, right? So this is your main file. This is a main. Okay, main you have to select and run file, Java application. You can check here the whether working Spring Boot is working successfully or not. You can hear. Here this is not error. Here we have not save the file. We have click save all, then only it will be, again we have to configure. Okay, if you are not save all, it will be providing some error. Now here the Spring Boot is working successfully. Now the port we already running, so we have to use the different port. Some problem with the port. Okay, so we have to put it here, right? Okay, save all. Again you have to select this. You can get this problem. Okay, my problem. Okay, you have to change the port, then it will be work. Okay, okay, here you have no error. If there is any error, it will be shown below. This is the your Spring Boot application is ready. Now you can go to the your local host. What is the port you are given here? You can specify the port. Support. Press enter key. It will work successfully. This is your application. Okay. Now here you can check the roles. You have ingredients. If you check veg quantity 1, click add button here. Now the same role fish quantity 2, it will be added. For a bun with the chicken flavor 1, it will be added successfully. Now the program is worked successfully. This is your one will be a final total. If you want to delete this one, delete one. If you reset, it will reset. Okay, I hope you guys you understood the programming well. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.